Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best 3D printers review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra 3D Printer. This is an LCD resin printer, so it uses UV resin, not filament. The print size is about 153 by 87 by 165 millimeters with a maximum print volume around 2.2 liters, which is great for miniatures, jewelry, and detailed. The main highlight is the 10K screen with 9024 by 5120 pixel resolution and very small pixel size, so layer lines look much less visible, especially at 0.02 mm layer height. If you care about fine textures and crisp edges, this is the big reason to choose it. It uses a COB light source plus a Fresnel lens, designed for more even light across the screen, which helps consistent curing and better accuracy. Speed can go up to around 80 mm per hour with standard resin and up to 120 mm per hour with high-speed resin at 0.1 mm layers. You get a 4.3-inch touchscreen, a simple UI with multiple languages, and it uses 4-point manual leveling, so it's not auto-level but leveling is straightforward. There's also an optional activated carbon air purifier to help reduce resin smell. So overall, the Photon Mono 4 Ultra is a strong choice if you want high-detail 10K resin printing with reliable curing and solid speed. Number 4. Sovol SV06 3D Printer. The SV06 has a 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume, uses a 0.4 mm nozzle, supports 1.75 mm filament, and works with slicers like Kobra, Prusa Slicer, and Simplify 3D. A big highlight is the planetary dual-gear direct drive extruder. It's designed for stronger grip and more accurate extrusion, and it makes printing flexible materials like TPU much easier compared to Bowden printers. It also has an all-metal hot end with high temperature capability up to 300 degrees Celsius. That means you can try more materials, but if you print over 260 degrees Celsius, using an enclosure is recommended for better results. The SV06 includes 25-point auto-leveling with an inductive sensor to compensate the bed surface, and the PEI flexible build plate helps prints stick well and remove easily without tools. It comes with a 32-bit silent board using TMC 2209 drivers, so it runs smoother and quieter. Overall, if you want a solid all-round printer for PLA, PETG, TPU, and even higher temp materials, the Sovol SV06 is a strong option. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3SE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 comes with a 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume, a 0.4 mm nozzle, supports PLA, PETG, and TPU, and uses a Sprite direct drive extruder. Great if you want smoother TPU printing compared to Bowden systems. One of the best upgrades here is CR Touch Auto Leveling Plus an Auto Z Offset Strain Sensor, which helps you get a clean first layer with less manual tuning, perfect if you're new to 3D printing. The Creality rates it at a typical speed around 180 mm per second with up to 250 mm per second in tests. It also has a dual Z-axis synchronized by a belt, helping reduce wobble and improving print quality, especially on taller prints. The 3.2-inch color knob screen shows leveling and settings clearly, and it also supports one-tap filament loading and unloading, which makes filament changes quick. So overall, the Ender 3v3SE is a solid choice if you want an easy Ender with auto leveling, direct drive, and good speed for the price. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3 3D Printer. The Kobra 3 has a 250 by 250 by 260 mm build volume, supports PLA, PETG, and TPU, includes Wi-Fi, and comes with auto leveling, so it's designed to be beginner-friendly but still powerful. The Anycubic ACE Pro you can print in up to 4 colors, which is awesome for logos, figures, signs and parts with color details without manually swapping filament mid-print. Speed is a big highlight here. It's rated up to 600 mm per second with 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, and the recommended speed is around 300 mm per second. It has vibration compensation using built-in sensors to reduce ringing and improve surface quality when printing fast. The ACE Pro also adds smart reliability features like nozzle clog detection, automatic filament refill/backup, sealed storage with drying, and intelligent filament identification, all designed to reduce failed prints and filament problems. So if you want fast printing, easy setup, and multicolor capability, the Anycubic Kobra 3 combo is a strong option. Drop your questions below, and subscribe for more 3D printing reviews. Number 1. EZ3D K10 3D Printer. The EZ3D K10 3D printer uses FDM technology, supports 1.75 mm PLA and TPU, and has a 100 by 100 by 100 mm build size, so it's perfect for small models like keychains, mini parts, and learning prints. The nozzle is 0.4 mm and the layer height can go down to 0.1 mm. The K10 has no auto leveling, so bed leveling is the most important step. If the nozzle is too close, it can scratch the magnetic plate. If it's too far, prints won't stick and may fall off. Also, the printer reads G-code only, so you'll need to slice your STL using Kobra or EasyWare, and it's best to use the recommended profile. Printing speed is around 30 mm per second with a max near 40, so it's not the fastest, but it's beginner-friendly. PLA prints are usually the easiest. TPU can work too, but go slower for better results. One more limitation. It's mainly designed to print using the TF card, and it typically prints the latest G-code file saved there. And quick safety tip: don't touch the nozzle. Remove extra filament with tools. So overall small, simple, and beginner-focused. If you want a starter 3D printer for basic projects, the EZ3D K10 is worth considering.